Off the hook, understanding and using this English idiom. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, let off the hook. This expression is widely used in daily conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can really spice up your English. So, if you're ready to learn and add another cool phrase to your language arsenal, let's get started. The phrase, let off the hook, is an idiom. Idioms are phrases where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. To be let off the hook means to escape from a difficult situation or to avoid a responsibility or duty. It's like being released from a hook that's holding you up, similar to how a fish might feel if it were caught and then released back into the water. Understanding the origin of an idiom can often help us remember its meaning. The phrase, let off the hook, is believed to have originated from fishing. When a fish is caught on a hook, it is trapped and in a troublesome position. If the fish is released, it's freed from the hook and escapes the danger. Similarly, when a person is let off the hook, they are released from a tricky or burdensome situation. To grasp the usage of let off the hook, let's look at some examples. 1. After the new evidence was presented, the suspect was let off the hook and released from jail. 2. I was supposed to work late tonight, but my boss let me off the hook at the last minute. 3. She was let off the hook from doing the dishes because she had already cooked dinner. In each of these sentences, the person being let off the hook avoids a situation they'd rather not be in. When using the phrase, let off the hook, keep in mind, it's often used in casual and conversational contexts. The phrase can imply relief from a situation that was stressful or undesirable. It's typically used to refer to avoiding responsibilities or escaping consequences. So, that's all about the phrase, let off the hook. Remember, idioms like this one can add color and depth to your conversations. They make your language richer and more interesting. I hope this video helps you feel a bit more confident in your English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use let off the hook when the moment is right.